dear students. Now let's do. Aim of this experiment is to study the following properties of the acetic acid, that is also known as the ethanoic acid: order, solubility in water, effect on the litmus, reaction with the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Material required are sodium hydrogen carbonate, distilled water, dropper, dilute ethanoic acid, lime water, red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, one bottle with the outlet on it. Now let's start the activity. First of all, we will discuss the property, that is the order of the dilute ethanoic acid. For that, I will take this ethanoic acid close to my nose and I will smell it. It has the pungent smell just like the vinegar. Now let's do the second part of this activity, in which we check that whether the dilute ethanoic acid is soluble in water or not. For that, I am taking one test tube. In this test tube, I am adding some amount of water. Now observe that it is a homogeneous transparent liquid. Now I will add few drops of dilute ethanoic acid in this water. Observe its color. It is still homogeneous, transparent. It means that ethanoic acid is soluble in water. Now again I am adding more amount of the ethanoic acid in the water. Now observe, it is still homogeneous liquid. It means that ethanoic acid is highly soluble in water. Now let's do the third part of the activity. For that, in a test tube, I am adding ethanoic acid. I want to test the nature of the ethanoic acid, that whether it is acidic or basic. For this, I will use the litmus paper. First of all, I am going to dip blue litmus paper strip in the ethanoic acid. Now observe the blue litmus paper. In the ethanoic acid, blue litmus paper has changed its color into red. Now next, I will see the effect of the ethanoic acid on the red litmus paper. For that, I am going to dip the red litmus paper strip in the ethanoic acid. Now see, the red litmus paper remain red in the ethanoic acid. It means the ethanoic acid changed the color of the blue litmus paper into red, but it will not affect the red litmus paper. This shows that the ethanoic acid is acidic in nature. Now let's do the fourth part of the activity, in which we will do the reaction of the ethanoic acid with the sodium hydrogen carbonate. For that, I am taking one bottle which have one outlet on it. I will add some amount of the solid sodium hydrogen carbonate into it. Now I have added small amount of the solid sodium hydrogen carbonate into it. Now next I will add some amount of the dilute ethanoic acid in it, due to which there will be the reaction between the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now I will add small amount of the dilute ethanoic acid in the sodium hydrogen carbonate, due to which there will be the reaction between them and a gas will be evolved. I want to prove that that gas is a carbon dioxide gas, so I can check it with the lime water. So in a test tube I am adding small amount of the lime water. Now observe the color of the lime water, it is transparent. Now after that we will observe its color when I will pass the gas which will evolve due to the reaction between the sodium hydrogen carbonate and the ethanoic acid. Now in this bottle having the sodium hydrogen carbonate, I am adding small amount of the ethanoic acid, due to which there will be the reaction between it. Now I have passed the outlet of this bottle into the lime water, so that if the gas will evolve due to the reaction between the sodium hydrogen carbonate and ethanoic acid, it will directly enter into the lime water. Now observe the lime water color very carefully. A gas is coming from the bottle in which there is a reaction. Now observe it. See, lime water has changed its color from transparent to milky. This confirms that when the ethanoic acid react with the, observe the color of the lime water due to the gas coming from the bottle in which there was the reaction between the sodium hydrogen carbonate and ethanoic acid. It has changed its color into milky. This confirms that the gas was carbon dioxide. This activity we have observed that the smell of the ethanoic acid is pungent, just like the vinegar. Ethanoic acid is acidic in nature because it has changed the color of the blue litmus paper into red, but it has not changed the red litmus paper color. Ethanoic acid is highly soluble in water, and when ethanoic acid react with the sodium hydrogen carbonate, a gas will be evolved, that is a carbon dioxide gas. I hope this activity is clear to you. Thank you so much.